Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Just a quick update because not too much happened since the last update. We're just still waiting for a bit of a decision. At the moment it looks still very corrective what's happening here, which indicates that there's a good chance actually to push higher at least once more at the moment. But the condition would be that 25,969 is holding the 50% level. We discussed in previous videos that this could be a wave 1, this could be a wave 2. 3, and this could currently be wave 4 and then one more high in a wave 5. Important would be here that the wave 4 holds the 50% retracement, and the move currently that happened looks to me corrective, which indicates at the moment at least that support has a good chance to hold, but it also indicates that wave 4 is probably not yet finished, so it might have been an A wave as highlighted here and said in the last video, a B wave in 3 waves. And we could now be coming down in a C wave in a 5-wave move. Ideal target would be still here, 26,160. That's the 38.2 retracement. It's typically the ideal target for a 4th wave. Below that, I've got 25,969. Now, there's no guarantee to get there, okay? But as long as price does not exceed that current B wave high at 26,668, I would assume we go a little deeper in the C wave. I mean, there's a few options. The wave 4 could be unfolding as an Elliott Wave triangle. That would be a 5-wave move and would also be corrective. So we don't know that at this stage, but it doesn't really have the look of a triangle. But if it's a triangle, it would look like that. A wave, B wave, C wave in a higher low, D wave in a lower high, E wave in a higher low. A wave 4 often unfolds as a triangle, yeah? So, especially on the weekends, you often see that. We have a bit of a triangle shape. Now, trend lines aren't so important in Elliott Wave, but it could be. We're going to see a decision here soon. Looks a bit like a bullish pennant. Let me take the other trend lines out. You often see that towards the end of the weekend. I mean, bear in mind, we're heading towards the weekly candle close. Nothing I pay too much attention to typically, but we are expected to see some volatility sort of starting in around 2 to 3 hours. We normally see that on a Sunday around the time when I make the member live stream. Bear in mind, today at 5 p.m. UTC it's the new member live stream again. Anybody who wants to join that, check out the channel membership. We talk about money management today. So yeah, might be that's interesting for some of you. But besides that, not much going on. Waiting for a decision here. As long as 25,969 is holding, one more high is at least likely or reasonable. I said to you, I need to see those 5 up to indicate that we have bottomed, but that won't be enough. I also need to see the ABC structure down, which happens afterwards. As long as we have, as long as we're holding that level, the focus could be on higher, but as long as we don't have 5 waves up, it is risky for price to come down, or the chances are quite high for price to come down in one more wave down, probably to around 24 to 24.5K, maybe around the 61.8 FIB retracement, and that this was just a so-called bull trap. But this is the first time now in this entire correction, which started in April, that we say, okay, the low could have been in, the low could be in. I said it down here and said, you know, it's the first time I wouldn't have a headache if price breaks out now. So that's sort of the situation I'm dealing with here. Tactically speaking, I did buy a little on the way down. It's typically how I handle it. If it goes down a little lower, I still have cash available to buy lower. But I only add a smaller percentage on the way down, yeah, measured against the 22K level, which is the 78.6 retracement. And then when we have the first reversal signal of 5 waves up, 3 waves down, I would be looking at adding more, let's say, aggressively, yeah. Okay, but that's my update about Bitcoin. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.